The internet provides a wealth of alternatives for people looking to augment their income or perhaps launch a full-time online profession in the current digital era. You've come to the perfect place if you want to start a new online business or diversify your sources of income. We'll go into great depth about each strategy so you can grasp the nuances of earning money online. So let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. You can work independently and serve clients all over the world by using your skills and talents through freelancing, which is a dynamic and flexible way to do so. Freelance marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr provide a wide market for professionals such as writers, graphic designers, web developers, and so forth. You get to pick the tasks you work on, determine your own prices, and work from any location. Establishing a name, developing a portfolio, and gaining expertise through freelancing can lead to a lucrative and long-lasting internet revenue stream. Number 2. E-commerce. Electronic commerce, or simply e-commerce, is the online purchasing and selling of goods and services. It has completely changed the way we shop by giving us access to a worldwide marketplace and convenience. E-commerce is an essential part of the modern economy since it includes digital payment methods, safe transactions, and online retail stores. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic online business strategy that enables people to promote the goods and services of other firms and earn commissions. You can select from a wide range of affiliate programs and items as an affiliate marketer to suit your target demographic and niche. Your audience can make purchases through your unique tracking links, and you can make money by creating and distributing engaging content through a variety of marketing channels. Those looking to monetize their online presence frequently choose this technique since it is easy to use and versatile, and it has the potential to yield large amounts of money. Number 4. Online courses and e-learning. Education has been completely transformed by online courses and e-learning, which provide a convenient and easily accessible way to expand your knowledge or learn new skills. People have access to expert-led information, can customize their learning experience, and may study at their own speed thanks to the wide selection of subjects and platforms available. Online courses offer an engaging and practical approach to study, whether one is seeking a new skill, a degree, or to stay up to date in a field that is changing quickly. Number 5. Blogging and content creation. Writing articles and blogging are engaging methods to share your knowledge, express your thoughts, and possibly make money online. You may grow an audience and monetize your efforts through advertising, sponsorships, and product promotions by providing entertaining content through blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts, regardless of your enthusiasm for a certain subject or your ability to share insightful information. In the current digital environment, quality and consistency are essential for success. Number 6. Stock photography and video. One profitable way for creative people to sell their visual work is through stock photos and video. Photographers and videographers can expand their worldwide reach by sharing their superior photos and videos on stock photo and video marketplaces. These assets are bought by customers for a variety of uses, including companies, marketers, and content producers, producing a consistent flow of revenue. This is a chance for artists to make money from their work while showcasing their abilities and enthusiasm. Number 7. Online consulting and coaching. People can take advantage of their knowledge, skills, and experience in a variety of fields, such as business and career development, personal development, and health, by using online coaching and consulting services. You may engage with clients anywhere in the world through virtual sessions, offering advice, answers, and encouragement to help them reach their objectives. Developing a successful online coaching and consulting business requires you to become an authority in your field, sell your services skillfully, and improve the lives of those you assist. Number 8. Dropshipping. An e-commerce strategy called dropshipping allows business owners to sell goods without keeping any inventory. Rather, they collaborate with vendors who manage transportation, packaging, and storage. This business strategy appeals to prospective online retailers since it is flexible and requires no initial investment. Number 9. Remote work opportunities. In today's labor environment, Remote work options are becoming more and more common, giving people the freedom to work from anywhere. Businesses in a wide range of sectors are adopting remote work, and remote jobs in marketing, technology, customer service, and other areas are becoming available. With this change, workers may now contribute their expertise to global teams and have a better work-life balance, which makes remote work an appealing and practical alternative for many. Number 10. Real estate investment. Investing in real estate is a tried and true method of accumulating wealth that enables owners to create long-term equity and passive income. Real estate crowdfunding, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and physical property purchases are all dependable options for individuals looking for stability and financial success. Real estate also offers diversification and appreciation possibilities. We appreciate you coming along as we explore 10 amazing methods to earn money online. We hope this video was inspirational and educational for you. Please don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content, and share this video with your friends if you find any interesting thoughts or insights that align with your goals.